Welcome back to another video here today, and today we're at the aviary. So, I'm just going to talk about some stuff, do a little bit of cleaning, sweeping up, and we are going to talk about the new birds I'm getting for the aviary. So, we'll head in, and the first thing you'll notice is we've got this box. So, now is a good time to tell you about the new birds we're getting. So, we're getting some quail. Little ground birds. I'll show a picture of them somewhere here. Yeah, so they look like that. So, our next door neighbour Trev, who's a woodworker, built us this. And we've just finished fitting it. The last thing we need to do is cut a hole so that they can get out. And then they have a little ramp here that'll get them down. It'll probably need to be moved closer this way, but yeah, they'll have a little ramp for them to get down, and then they'll be able to explore the aviary, which will put some new grasses and just rearrange the rockery a little bit. So they've got a little perch in there, and then the door will be there. The roof does come off, but we probably won't be using it because we've got that door. So we're going to pick them up on Thursday. So now we've just got some stuff that we need to do. First of all, take this water, it's old water, dip it out, there we go, like that. I'll have another water source in here once the quail get here, which will just be this, which needs washing, but it'll just be this for the quail, make sure they get plenty of water. We need to fill the food up as well. Let me get this down. So I use a feeder for my food because even though it still gets everywhere, you don't have to blow the husks off or change the food every day, and it doesn't get wet. Stuff, so it looks like that. Just got some millet spray and a few other seeds in here, and then we're gonna pour it in. Try not to spill any. Well, it doesn't really matter. Pull that up to the top, back in, and then close it up, and this is ready to go back in the aviary. So I'm going to the Stafford Bird Show in June as well, getting some new birds, hopefully. Cuttlefish bones are a good source of calcium for your birds, which they need to produce eggs. So we're gonna bring this out and give it a wash. Okay, that's nice and clean. Take it back in. In the winter, the quails will need a heat lamp on them if it drops below -10 or 14 degrees Fahrenheit. So I've got this, which is going to be the quail's food tray, which isn't going to have much in, because this lot will be dropping plenty. Drop the watering can. Turn that off. Heading back in. Female Bengalese finch who is building a nest up there in that end box. So hopefully we'll get some eggs from her. And after the Stafford show in June, I'll be getting definitely some more zebrafinch and hopefully some heckfinch and some other birds that I've never had before, hopefully, maybe even some canaries. But that's in June, so 2.5 months. So on the 23rd of June at Stafford. Got everything, get some water. Yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video.